Tonight, a warning about a device meant to save lives. A report says some carbon monoxide detectors sold online may not work at all. At least one detector is linked to multiple hospitalizations, including children. KDKA investigator Meghan Schiller talked with a safety expert about what to check on your detector tonight.
We want to keep your family safe, and this is especially concerning because you can't see carbon monoxide and you can't smell it. And experts say if your detector fails, you're likely not even going to realize until it's too late.
A lot of us turn to online shopping for everyday items, including carbon monoxide detectors. But Consumer Reports safety expert Gabe Knight says that can be risky.
But if you buy a product online, particularly from a third-party seller on one of these online marketplaces, sometimes that seller disappears overnight. And that's why online marketplaces need to do a lot more to make sure that they are being held accountable for all the products sold on their websites.
In fact, Amazon just removed this model, the Hembison KH158, after reports it failed to alarm despite dangerous levels of carbon monoxide in the home. Consumer Reports says the packaging even contained misspellings.
Consumer Reports identified 4 hospitalizations, including 2 children, in 1 month's time that were linked to this faulty carbon monoxide and gas detector that was sold on Amazon.
Amazon says it's investigating, but Knight says this isn't the first time something like this has happened. She says consumers are still at risk of buying faulty detectors online.
Carbon monoxide detectors right now do not have a mandatory safety standard in the United States. Unfortunately, we know that this is not an isolated issue. Time and time again, we have seen faulty CO detectors sold to consumers, and that does put them and their families at risk for not just injury, but in extreme cases, death.
Warning, carbon monoxide.
So here's what you should look for. A device with a UL or ETL mark on the product or box. That means it meets the requirements of what's called the UL 2034 Voluntary Safety Standard. And if you're looking for an even more powerful detector, they make those too. Ideally, you'd want both.
You do want one installed in your home that meets the UL standard, so you can look for the UL or ETL mark. And then if you're interested, there are lower level detectors that are going to tell you more accurate readings at much lower levels, but they are outside the scope of that voluntary standard.
And if you're still unsure about your detector, replace it. This is not one of the things that you want to be wrong about. Consumer Reports, though, already did the work for you, testing and rating a long list of detectors. We're going to put that full list over on our website, KDKA.com. Reporting tonight, I'm Meghan Schiller, KDKA News.